Now see question number 11 from exercise 2.1. Find the volume of sphere increases at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second. Find the rate of change of its surface area when its radius is 5 centimeter. So first we consider here a sphere of radius small r. So we write here let r be the radius of sphere. Therefore, here the volume of sphere increases at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second. That means the rate of change of volume is given, and we know that V is equals to 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. So here dV by dt is equals to 20 centimeter cube per second is given. Then next, find the rate of change of its surface area. That means we have to find ds by dt, and we know that s is equals to 4 pi r square is the surface area of the sphere if radius is r. So here we have to find ds by dt when radius is 5 centimeter. That means again r is equals to 5 centimeter is given. So first we find the derivative of this volume. So right here differentiate v with respect to t. Therefore dv by dt is equals to, here 4/3 pi is constant, so we keep as it is. Derivative of r cube we write here 3r square into dr by dt. Therefore here dv by dt is 20, so write here 20 is equals to 4/3 pi as it is. 3 into, we substitute r equals to 5, so we get here 5 square into dr by dt. So we calculate dr by dt from this. So write here 5 square as 25. So this 3 get cancelled. We write here, therefore 20 is equals to 4 pi into 5 square. We write here 25 into dr by dt. So from this we transfer this 4 to left hand side, or first we simplify this. We write here 4 5s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So we get here 5 pi. So 1 upon 5 pi is equals to dr by dt. Now we have the value dr by dt. We have to find ds by dt, and we know that s is equals to 4 pi r square. So we differentiate s with respect to t. So denote this as equation number 1. Differentiate s with respect to t. Therefore ds by dt is equals to, so 4 pi is constant, keep 4 pi as it is. Derivative of r square we write 2r into dr by dt. Therefore ds by dt is equals to, here we write 4 pi into 2, that is 8 pi. Value of r we substitute r. Then dr by dt we calculate 1 upon 5 pi. 1 upon 5 pi. So this pi get cancelled, 5 get cancelled. We get ds by dt is equals to 8. Now s is surface area, so its unit we write centimeter square. T is time, so centimeter square per second is the rate of change of surface area when radius is 5 centimeter and volume increases at the rate of 20 cubic centimeter per second. Now see question number 12. The age of the cube is decreasing at the rate of 0.6 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which its volume is decreasing when the age of the cube is 2 centimeter. So here we consider a cube of edge length x. So if we consider edge length of this cube as x, then volume of this cube is x cube. Here the edge of cube is decreasing, that means here rate of change of decreasing of x is given, that means dx by dt is given. Now dx by dt is decreasing, so we have to take minus sign, so minus 0.6 centimeter per second. Then find the rate at which its volume is decreasing. We have to find dv by dt here. We have to find dv by dt. So we consider here a cube of edge x. So right here in solution, let x be the length of edge of cube. Therefore dx by dt is equals to 0.6. Now this rate decreasing, so write minus 0.6 centimeter per second. Volume of cube is equals to V is equals to x cube. Therefore differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So change in volume, we write dv by dt is equals to x cube. We write here 3x square into dx by dt. Now we have to find a rate at which volume is decreasing, that means rate of change of volume when the edge of the cube is 2 centimeter. That means we have to find this dv by dt when x is equals to 2 centimeter and dx by dt equals to minus 0.6. So we write here x is equals to 2 centimeter. Therefore dv by dt is equals to 3 into 2 square into dx by dt. We write minus 0.6. So calculate this, 3 into 4 into minus 0.6. So 12 into minus 0.6. So we get 72. So we adjust the decimal point, that is 7.2. Write this minus sign as it is. Now this is a change in volume, that is dv by dt. So we have to write here unit cubic centimeter per second. So in this way we find a rate of change of volume. Now see next question. A man of height 2 meter walks at a uniform speed of 6 km per hour away from a lamp post of 6 meter height. So here we consider AB as a lamp post of 6 meter height. Find the rate at which the length of shadow is decreasing. So here a man of height 2 meter walks. So here we consider AB as height of lamp post, CD as height of man. So here AB we write 6 meter, CD we write 2 meter. Now we have to find the rate at which the length of shadow is decreasing. So here we consider E as tip of the shadow, that is end point of the shadow. So see here, if shadow we consider, or tip of a shadow consider at a distance of y meter from D, and this x, that is the man at a distance x meter from the lamp post. So we write here in solution So we write here, let AB be the lamp post and CD be a man walking away from the lamp post. So we consider CD as man which is walking away from this lamp post. E is the tip of shadow. This E is the tip of shadow. Let X be the distance between lamp post and man. So this X is the distance between lamp and lamp post and man, let y be the length of his shadow. Here a man of height 2 meter walk at a uniform speed of 6 km per hour. So according to our geometric representation, we write here dx by dt equals to 6 km per hour. So therefore by geometry we write, now from this diagram we write x plus y upon 6. X plus y upon 6 is equals to y upon 2. So simplify this. Therefore we write x plus y is equals to, we simplify this, we get x plus y upon 3. So transfer this 3 to right hand side, x plus y is equals to 3y. So we get here x minus 2y is equals to 0. Now here dx by dt is given and we have to find rate at which the length of shadow is decreasing. So we have to differentiate this with respect to time. So differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dx by dt is equals to, or you can write this 2y to right hand side before differentiating. So right here dx by dt equals to 2 into dy by dt. So we have dx by dt which is 6 km per hour. So right here 6 is equals to 2 into dy by dt. Therefore 3 is equals to dy by dt. Now rate at which the length of shadow is decreasing. Therefore length of shadow decreasing at the rate of 3 km per second.